Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a signature and date to a PDF using Microsoft Edge on Windows. If you didn't know, Edge has built-in tools that make editing PDFs easy, and you don't need any extra software. So, let's dive in. First, let's start by opening your PDF file. Locate your PDF file on your computer and simply right-click it. From the options, select Open With and choose Microsoft Edge. If Edge is your default PDF viewer, just double-click the file, and it should open directly in Edge. Once the PDF is open in Edge, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where we'll find the tools we need to add a signature and date. Look for the Add Text button, which usually looks like a small T icon. Click on it, and you'll be able to add text anywhere on the PDF. To add your signature, simply click where you want to place it on the document. If you'd like to make your signature look a bit more like handwriting, you can change the font style or adjust the size of the text to match your signature. Once you're done adding the signature and date, it's time to save the PDF. Go to the top right corner and click the Save icon, or press Ctrl+S. And that's it! You've successfully added a signature and date to your PDF using Microsoft Edge. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any additional software. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.